Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Cadillac Escalade ESV all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.